Hey Chalk Nation, we are back with another video. I have an everything pink haul from Temu, and I'm going to show you how to do some nail prep and apply some nails from SHEIN. So let's get into it. Girl Chalk, and I am finally back with another long form video. I know it's been a minute. I've been giving y'all some YouTube shorts. I gave y'all a look at the vacation that I went on for my daughter's birthday and different things that I've been, finding in Walmart and Target and this and that. But of course, my channel is rooted in press-on nails, so we're about to get back to our roots and get into some more long form content. And we are about to get back into doing these nails. When I tell y'all, the last set that I put on was when I went to see Beyonce at the Cowboy Carter concert in May. It's been 3 months. And I don't even have like a legit reason why I wasn't doing my nails. I just was not doing them. I don't know. I just fell off. Like, I don't know. I wasn't making my nails a priority, but I was like, you know what? Let me get my life together and get back into doing my nails and stuff again. So we are back with another banger today. So let me not hold y'all up. I know y'all got things to do. So these are the nails that I am going to be applying today. They are from SHEIN. And I am going to be using a new glue. This is a semi-solid nail gel glue. So I've never used this glue before, and we're gonna give it a try and get these nails done. So let's get into it. So the first set in this haul is from SHEIN, and it's from their handmade nails section on their app. I got a size large. If you are unsure how to size your nails, they have illustrations that show you how to measure your nails, and it also shows you what size nails you need according to your measurements. I have wide nail beds, so I always pick a size large. I've never measured my nails actually. I just picked the largest size because I figured if I pick a larger size, I can always file around the cuticle and the side walls to fit my nails. But if you were to get a smaller size, you can't add to the nails. So if you don't want to measure your nails, always just go with a bigger size. That way you can always just take away from the nail and fit it to your nail beds. And this nail glue is also from SHEIN. It is a semi-solid gel nail glue. It comes with 2 in the pack. And the difference between this glue and regular nail glue is that it is semi-solid. You don't need a UV light to cure it, but it's also a little bit thicker than your regular nail glue. But it's on the lines of the gel nail glue that you have to cure, but you don't need a curing light. So we are going to give it a try in today's video. And before I get into the nail tutorial, I really wanted to show you guys all this cute pink stuff that I got from Temu. So just stay with me a little bit longer and then we're going to get right into the tutorial. So I am an Apple Watch girly. I got one a few months back and I absolutely love my Apple Watch, and I'm always matching my Apple Watch band with my outfits, and pink is one of my favorite colors. I love this one because it has the glittery outline for the watch face, and I also got this neon pink full watch case cover. So this completely covers your watch, and the bands and everything is connected all in one. I also got a couple of more sets of duck nails. As you guys can see, I'm really into duck nails right now. So let's get into this set. So this one is super cute. I love that each nail has a different design or jewels and everything on them. This is the case that it came in. I also got these in a size large, and just get into all the details that are on these nails. So we got different charms like bows and stars and little pink balls on them. There's a couple that has the yellow zebra print on them. The pink nail that's in this set has like water drips on it. You can't really tell from the lighting, but it's real cute, and I love that yellow French tip nail with the neon pink star on it. This set is just super cute. Now this next set is so cute. It is a longer duck nail set. So these duckies are a little bit more ducked out than the previous set I just showed y'all. They ducked out and they're decked out because look at all the jewels and everything that's on them. They are so cute, but look how much longer and bigger the duck is compared to the previous set. So I was a little concerned about that, so I was like, let me try it on and see how it looks on my fingers. And I actually love how they look on my fingers, so I know I am really going to fall in love with this set when I apply it. Every set of duck nails that I've worn were never this long, so I am curious to see how I am going to do when I apply this set, and I'll make sure I do a video for you guys as well so you guys can see, because either y'all gonna like them or y'all gonna laugh. Y'all better not laugh at me. So I also got me a couple of phone cases. I have an iPhone 15, but you can also get these cases in different what's the word I'm looking for? Oh my god, generations. They have them for 14, 16, 13, 12, whatever number iPhone you got, these cases come in. This one was really cute and blingy and pink, and I love that it's clear because the iPhone that I have is pink, so it's gonna look super cute on my phone. And I also got this $100 bill case because what it say, money never sleeps. It got Benjamin Franklin on there blowing some bubble gum, and it's cute and it's pink, and that cracked me up. And that is the end of the haul. All the items in this video will be linked in the description, so make sure you guys check out the description box. And now we are jumping right into the tutorial. So I am starting off with some nail prep. My nails grew out, as you guys can see. I have been clipping them, but they still were too long for my liking to be up under some press-on nails. So I always clip my nails down, not to the nub, but I do like my nails short, really short up under the press-on nails. So this is the length that I like my nails to be before I apply my press-on nails. So that's the first step. Second step is gonna be to push my cuticles back. I don't really have a lot of thick cuticle like to clip off or anything, so I pretty much just push my cuticles back. And by the way, this nail set did come with a cuticle pusher, a nail file, and nail stickers, but I never use the nail stickers because I want my nails to stay on and last long, so I always use the glue. But if you're a sticker girl, they do come with stickers as well. So I'm just gently pushing my cuticles back. I'm not doing this rough at all. You don't want to really poke into your cuticle. You just want to push them back a little bit and get that crusty stuff from around the cuticles so that when you go to lay your press-on nails down, you have a nice, smooth, and clean surface. So the next thing we are going to do is remove that crusty cuticle crust, and we're also going to use the nail file that came with the nails to roughen up the surface of my natural nails. You have to remove the oil and that shiny layer from the top of your natural nails in order for your press-on nails to last long. You do not want to apply your nails to a smooth, shiny, oily surface, or they will not stay on as long as you want them to. You want to make sure you gently go over the top of your natural nails until they are nice and crusty looking, just like that, because we're going to clean it up with the alcohol prep pad. And you can use a nail dehydrator to further dehydrate your nails, but I have a spray bottle that I put half alcohol and half acetone in, and I just spray my nails down, and it works just as good as the nail dehydrator. I did not show that part on camera, but after I cleaned them up with the alcohol prep pad, I did spray it with that alcohol and acetone mixture to further dehydrate my nails. So now my nails are all prepped and we are ready to start applying them. And I am curious to see how good this glue works. Now the box says to apply a rice size amount of glue onto the fake nails, which of course I always put a little bit more than what they say. I don't follow the instructions at all, okay? But I did apply it at that 45-degree angle like they said. You press it into your cuticle first, and then you gently press down onto the rest of the nail and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Now I normally press and hold for about 30 seconds, but the box says 5 to 10 seconds is enough. They said enough is enough, so that is exactly what I did. Held it for 5 to 10 seconds, and let me just say this glue dries very fast, and you really do not have to hold it for a whole 20-30 seconds like you normally would with regular press-on nail glue. Once I pressed the nail down with the glue onto my natural nail, I felt like a suction to my natural nail. So that right there let me know that this nail glue is bomb. Of course, the ultimate test will be to see how long the nails last with this nail glue, if it really lasts. So I will definitely be keeping you guys updated on my YouTube shorts for however long I keep these nails on. I usually keep my nails on for about 5 days because I'll be ready to get into a different set within a week. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how good the nails last with this glue. But get into this nail with the lips on it. Like when I saw that, I was like, oh, I gotta have this set. That is too cute. Like, this set is so well made. The jewels on them are high quality jewels. It's not like the cheap looking jewels that some of the regular press-on nails have on them. These are definitely giving salon quality. The nails are pretty much gel nails. I feel like these are like Gel X nails that you could apply these, you know, with the Gel X nail glue and the UV light. But since we found this new glue, we don't even have to use that type of gel glue. So I'm super excited to see if these nails last long with this glue, because if they do, you guys will be seeing me use this glue in a lot more of my videos. I'm just giving y'all a heads up right now. If the glue lives up to the expectations that I have of it, we're gonna be doing a lot of sets with this gel glue. So in case you missed it the first time, you put a small size amount of glue onto the nail, and then you want to apply the nail at a 45-degree angle, pressing into the cuticle first. And then I also hold down my side walls. You don't really have to with this glue, but I'm so used to applying my nails like that that's what I do. And this is how the nails turned out on this hand. And if you guys noticed, I am applying my nails with my non-dominant hand. So this is actually a tutorial to show you how to have a steady hand with your non-dominant hand as well. So I hope y'all clocked that tea while y'all was watching the video. If you did not, go back and watch it one more time for your girl. But normally I would be applying some cuticle oil, but I don't have none, so I'm just using my Shea Moisture Hydrating Body Oil. And pretty much you can use any oil to hydrate your cuticles. If you've been in a Chic Nation from day one, you know I do not condone crusty cuticles. As soon as you apply that fresh set, you better be applying a fresh layer of oil around them cuticles and them crusty fingers and hands. And if you are new here to the Chic Nation, hey y'all, welcome all my new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying the tutorial so far, and there will be plenty more videos coming. So hey new Chic Nation members, hey to all my day one Chic Nation fam, I love y'all and I missed y'all. Old or new, drop a comment and let me know how you guys feel about these nails. If you love them, if you hate them, if you would rock them, if you like the way I applied them, if you have any tips on how you would apply them, let me know in the comment section. We need to, you know, get to know each other, and I love to hear other people's opinions. So drop a comment and let me know how you guys like these nails. And as you can see, I'm doing the glue test right here. These nails are not budging, so I'm curious to see how long they last. I will keep you guys updated on my YouTube shorts, and all the links to everything in this video will be in the description box. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.